The Business Spotlight Series, episode 38. Today we're here with Dana and Susan from La Maison, and they're going to be showing us how to do a holiday mantlescape. So guys, glad to have you here. Take it away.
Thank you. I am, again, Dana McGrath. I am owner of La Maison in downtown Chelsea. We're located at 104 North Main. We're on the northeast corner of Main and Middle Street, and we have a lot of lovely things in there. This is Susan McCalla, my sidekick, one of my employees. She's my general manager, my visual merchandiser, you name it. So anyway, she's going to do a lot of the styling. So we're going to show you 3 different ways to style the mantle. Things are pretty simple. If you don't have your decorations ready, we still have some things available at the shop. So go ahead. All right, what are you going to do?
So we're going to start off with, this is just a simple sign, and you can do this with any sign that you have. And you can also think about this, that it can go into the spring and summer if you have different signs that you can add to it. So right now what we're going to do is just add some Christmas decor. So these are bottle bush trees that are available at Maison.
I think some of us might remember having those as a kid, because I know my parents had these growing up. We had a tree decorated, but they were little ones, and they were always a lot of fun.
And now we're going to add just a garland. And this is a super easy thing. You can do this with pretty much any garland. These are available at the store. So now if I was doing this to have it permanently sit here, since we're going to change these in and out, I would kind of tie it down or do something like that so that it'll stay and not worry about it, especially if you got kids running around. And then we're going to add these beautiful snowflakes that are available at La Maison. They come in a set of 3.
So it's kind of like you've layered things.
Yes.
Tucking it in, filling it. So it's
see,
kind of a retro.
So see how simple this is? It's a kind of a vintage look, just very simple and easy to do. And we only added 4 things. We had the pictures, the snowflakes, the garland, and the trees. Very easy, very simple to do. Now, if you really want to spruce it up, you could add just the string of lights on it to light up.
That would be nice.
Okay, so now we're going to do,
Take these back out. So we have this very, very cool vintage frame
that's been chalk painted with Annie Sloan chalk paint.
Many of you may know we are your local chalk paint stockist. We are fully stocked, and we're there to answer questions. The chalk paint's available online 24/7. You can pick it up. We can ship it to you. Tell us about this frame.
Okay, so this frame is just an old wood frame that I picked up at a flea market, and it was painted with white chalk paint. So this year I went on a snowflake theme that I'm going to leave up all year. So this is my personal decoration, but this is just done with fishing line and to hang them up.
Yeah, you can sort of see them.
And that's all that I did with that. So now we are going to add these snowballs, which are from La Maison.
They light up.
And they light up. And they're also on a timer.
I think we have to put that one over here. This way.
And then to add a little to the top of the frame, we just added these picks. So very simple, easy, not hard to do, and it just gives it a simple, more winter. And this is something that you could leave up all winter, because these are all snowflakes. It doesn't have a lot of Christmas to it and that kind of thing.
Yeah, we tried to focus on some of that this year. It's like trying to choose winter themed items instead of just something that's maybe says Merry Christmas. So
Right.
we had a lot of things that just simple greens and snowflakes and what else
And we
had?
do have snowflakes in the store, but they're on the Christmas tree. These happen to be just mine, but we do also have those in the store.
Okay. Then-
Okay, so now we're gonna use the garland again. I don't think it'll play with the frame. It's not gonna work with this.
We're having technical difficulties.
Technical
now.
difficulties here, sorry. I forgot how deep that frame is. So these are just our mercury glass candle holders, which these can go up, make it super simple. You could also tuck these down for a little bit of greenery. And there you have it, very simple.
Yeah, these picks are very versatile. I don't know why they call them picks, but you can put them in vases, tuck them in like this. I mean, all sorts
And we
of
have
ideas.
lots of those in the store. All different sizes and shapes and different styles.
So, and the mercury glass, these are glass votives, so you just put your candle in it. And so at nighttime when your fireplace is going and you have a little candle lit in the votives.
Or-
So anyway, that's
about it.
We're gonna zoom in a little bit here. These things are very pretty. I don't know that you can really see. They actually sparkle and glow when they're lit.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you. That is awesome. So yeah, all this stuff, you can get it all at La Maison, and I just think you guys did a wonderful job. It's so cool to see a couple different ways of doing it, and I got to agree, it's so cool to do something that can last much past Christmas, right through the winter seasons.
Right.
So thank you guys so much for showing
You're
this to us
welcome.
today.
Thanks for having us here.
Yeah.
Thank you. We're open 7 days a week right now.
7 days a week.
At least until Christmas, and then we'll probably close on Sundays, but we
Yeah.
are open.
Yep, and there's so much more than what you saw today, I can tell you that. So stop on by. Thanks for watching today. Thank you to Shasta Grifka and Grifka Marketing for sponsoring and facilitating as always. And we will see you guys all next week. Happy holidays.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.